Hello dear student, I am from Suraj School Rewari. Your math teacher Sunana. Today I am explaining review exercise of unit 2, and in this given page first is given grade 1. Here we have to find 10 words. These words related to addition, multiplication, division and measurement of distance or time, and these 10 words are minute, multiply, inch, total, quotient, division, sum, year, product, meter. These words we have to show in this given grade also. Okay. Now first question of multiple choice question: if a mixed fraction is converted into fraction, then is reciprocal is. Firstly, mixed fraction convert into uh, improper fraction, and when we find the reciprocal of improper fraction, we always get proper fraction. So A option is correct. Second question: the sum of months in 3 upon 5th of a century is. In a century, how many years? 100 years. Firstly, here we have to find number of months. To convert the years into months, and then we have to find the 3/5 of the months, and we get 720. It means C option is correct. Now, third question: 474 surgeons are invited for a conference on the latest surgical techniques, and 5 upon 6 of those invited actually participated in it. The number of participants was. Here we find the 5 upon 6 of given surgeons. Okay, we get the B answer, 395. Okay. Now, fourth question, there are given left side and right side. In the left side, 3 figure are given, and right side only 1 figure. See carefully shaded part and unshaded part in this given figure. And when we see that C option is correct for this, it means C represent these figures. Okay. Now, fifth question: John can read a novel in 17 hours if he devotes 2 and 3 upon 7 hours to reading every day. He would finish the novel in. If he read every day 2 and 3 upon 7 hours, so then how many days he used to read complete novel? Okay, now we get the answer B, in 7 days. Okay, now sixth question: Smith bought a laptop from abroad in a special promotional drive for 45, which is 5 upon 8 of the original price. The original mark price of the laptop is. Here not given original mark price and 5 upon 8 of the original price. Take here original price X, and then we get the answer 72. A of option is correct. Okay, seventh question: the fraction representing the shaded part of the given square is. Here a figure is given, and we have to find shaded part. Firstly, we convert this figure into small all parts. It's mean here 1 2 3 4, here 16 part, and 2 parts are shaded. 2 upon 16 yani 1 upon 8. So D answer is correct. Okay. Now, true or false? First question: the product of two proper fractions is greater than each of the fraction. No, this is false. Second, product of A upon B and C upon D is A D upon BC. No, this is wrong, because the correct answer is A C upon me B D. This is false. Okay. Now third question: to divide one fraction by another, we first multiply the fraction, then take its reciprocal. No, first we take reciprocal, then multiply. Okay, this is false. Fourth question, no proper fraction is equal to a mixed fraction. This is true. No proper fraction is equal to a mixed fraction. This is true. Okay, fifth question, the word of written between two fractions refers to their product. Of means multiply and product also similar word. So this is true. Okay, sixth, the multiplicative inverse of a fraction is the same as its reciprocal. Yes, multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. It's mean this is true. Now fill the blanks. The multiplicative inverse of 3 and 1 upon 2 is, firstly here we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction and we get 7 upon 2, and when we find the multiplicative inverse of 7 upon 2 we get 2 upon 7. Okay, now second question, the speed of a car is 30 km per hour. In 1 hour how much speed? 30 km. The distance covered by the car in 5 and 1 upon 2 hours is, here we multiply and we get 165 km. Okay, third question, the product of non-zero fraction and its reciprocal always unity. Yes, whenever we multiply a number with their reciprocal we get unity, yani one answer. Okay. Fourth, if the price of 12 books is 189 rupees, then each book cost, here we divide and we get the answer 15 and 3 upon 4 rupees. Okay, fifth question, the number of pieces each measuring 3 and 1 upon 4 meter that can be cut from a rope measuring 45 upon 1 upon 2 meter is, yes, here 14 pieces of each rope piece. Okay, now sixth question, there are dash minute in 3/5 of 2 hours. Firstly 2 hours convert into minute, then 3/5 of converted minutes we get 72 minutes. Seventh, the value of expression we saw, whenever we solve this expression we get 9 upon 8 answer. Okay, firstly we solve the bracket and in this bracket given subtraction and then we get the answer of bracket, then multiply with 2 and 1 upon 2. Okay, so then we get 9 upon 8 answer. Eighth question, if fraction equivalent to 1 upon 20 having denominator 60, whenever we multiply 1 upon 20 which number having denominator 60, so then 3 upon 60 answer. Okay, now answer in one word or a line. First question, what are like fractions? Those fractions having same denominator, these are like fractions. Okay, now second question, if the product of two fraction is 1, what can be said about the fraction? Fraction are reciprocal of each other. Here we are taking a example 3 upon 2 and reciprocal of it 2 upon 3. Then multiply 3 upon 2 multiply 2 upon 3 we get answer 1. It's mean whenever we get product of two fraction 1, its mean fraction are reciprocal of each other. Okay. Now third question, what is the reciprocal of 1? Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Fourth, what is the difference between improper and mixed fraction? Can they be converted into each other? Here in first question, what is the difference between improper and mixed fraction? Write the here definition of improper and mixed fraction and answer of second question, can they converted into each other? Yes, we converted into each other. Okay, now give an example. Here we are taking a example 4 and 3 upon 2. Here this is mixed fraction and then we convert into improper. We use 4 multiplied to 8 and 8 add with 3 we get 11 upon 2 answer, and this is 11 upon 2 is improper fraction. Now fifth question, what can be said about the value of the product of a proper and an improper fraction. When the product of proper and an improper fraction, this product greater than the proper and less than improper fraction. This answer is written on the above the page. Okay, पेज के ऊपर लिखा हुआ है फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन का आंसर. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ए फ्रैक्शन for which number is does not exist? What is the multiplicative inverse of a fraction? Its main multiplicative inverse is reciprocal of the given fraction. And for which number is does not exist? ज़ीरो का रेसिप्रोकल नहीं होगा. Okay, now seventh question, how many millimeter are there in 1/5 of a meter? Here meter and we have to find how many meter. So firstly in a meter how many meter? 1000, then find, so we get answer 200 millimeter. Okay beta, thank you, have a nice day.